Hey, clean up man.
Sweep it up.
Mommy, I got my snow angel.
You're like a snow angel. Wow.
That would probably be better with a coat. Somebody's going to need a bath. Did it work?
Yep.
That's a big snow angel.
I tried to make it crazy.
That hair looks crazy.
Snow Alamode.
Did y'all even look for her coat?
Andrew, is that one mod? What?
Please go get her coat.
No, yeah, it's Rangers. Oh yeah, it's that one.
Look at this room. This
Hey,
snow
Scrappy.
I just got.
You like the snow?
Yeah,
He says,
snow's
"No, I
my
don't."
favorite to play out.
Scrappy says he does not like it.
Mommy, this is snow I have in the car.
No, don't put snow on his car. Oh, there's your coat.